Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, last 2 days we have seen beautiful rise in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty and Nifty have reached a deciding level. Let me show you how. This is the spot chart what I am analyzing. Guys, I have taken the low to draw a trend line from 2nd November. I'll just remove one more trend line what I have drawn here. Yeah, now you can see here. This is on log chart. I have drawn this trend line, and if you see here, this price is resisting at this trend line, right? And this other thing, if you observe properly, it's almost near the all-time high. So these two levels will be a deciding point, because previously from this level we have seen a fall. You can see here, from this level we have seen a fall. So this becomes a zone from almost 14,647 to 14,753. This becomes a strong zone. In case we don't see a close above this high, that is 14,753.55, and tomorrow if it fails to cross this, then there are good chances we can see a drop from this level on the downside. And other important thing is, if I mark a low here, let me show you, there is a gap created by the in Nifty. So there are good chances this gap can also be covered. In case price reverses, we can expect it to reach to today's low, that is 14,469.15, and there are good chances prices will cover this gap as well. This is what I'm looking at, and if it closes above this level, this all-time high, again we can expect some rise on the upside. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both are at a deciding point. So this is about Nifty. Let me show you Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty, I'll show you future chart. You can see here what has happened. Again a trend line what I have drawn here, and Bank Nifty is also resisting this trend line. Right, let me zoom this. Okay, now if tomorrow it fails to close above this high, or if tomorrow price fails to sustain above this high, that's a 34,740.50, that's all-time high as well. If it sustains above this high, then we can expect some more momentum on the upside. You can trade 100 200 points every time it goes up. You can just start trailing your stop loss. And on the downside, if in case it doesn't break this high or it reverses from this level itself, then we can expect prices to come down, right? So this is the point what will have the support, that is 32,861. Before it reaches 32,861, we can expect today's low, that is 33,600 levels, right? Now let's go and see what our trading plan will be for tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, this is Nifty chart, 15 minutes chart. Now if you see here, price has been holding this trend line, and all these zones whatever I have drawn, I'll be updating in the description box. You can draw the same zones on your system, and you can see how beautifully these zones work. For tomorrow, as I said you, in case it breaches this high, that is 14,767.25, that is all-time high as well. This is a future chart, guys. Let me mark this properly. This is the all-time high what I'm looking at. In case it closes above this high tomorrow, that is 14,767.25, then we can expect prices move to 14,820, 14,860 and 14,900 levels. And 14,900 will be the target what I'm looking at max. And every time it goes more 40 points, I'll be trailing my stops. And on the downside, in case price reverses from this level, either it can reverse from R1. Once it is reversing from R1, remember there's a trend line. Once it breaks this, we can expect downward momentum near 14,711 and S1 zone and S2 zone. And in case it closes below S2 zone, we can see 14,562 and 14,500 levels to come in. This is a simple plan what I have for Nifty for 3rd February. Talking about Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is also holding a trend line. This is a 15-minute chart what I'm showing you in future chart, right? And it's almost near the all-time high itself. This is the all-time high, that is 34,740.50. Price has to close above this level to move on the higher side. If it close above this high, that is 34,740.50, we can expect 34,900, 35,000 and 35,100 levels. In case it breaches this trend line, in case it reverses from R1 zone, breaches this trend line, then expect S1, S2 and S3 as the targets. Every time it moves down towards your target or on the upside, make sure you trade your stops so that you don't lose the potential profits what you earned. Trailing stops is very important. And guys, this is a simple plan what I have for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Let's see tomorrow how Nifty and Bank Nifty will perform based on the levels what we have drawn. That's all for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good day.